Hi guys, welcome to the video. So this is the first allotment tour of the year. We're in May. I haven't had a chance to do ones for previous months, because if you're a regular watcher of the channel you'll know that I've just been unbelievably busy with everything, with the baby, with the business, and this has taken a slight back seat, but I'm hoping to get back into it, and I've got a few bits done which I'll show you, and these will be coming every month, and along with other videos that I've got planned, so don't go anywhere, but yeah, let's go. So this corner is a little bit, still a little bit messy, but it's a little bit better than what it was. I've got that old storage box there, it's got all my pots and containers in, and just need to go through the wood, so it's a job for another rainy day. So the three beds you see here, I've got nothing in them apart from some spring onions in that little dug up area at the back there. I've just set some seeds away in the greenhouse, so these are going to fill the beds here, so that should be okay. And I got my onions in, which is later than what I normally do. Normally I do them sort of early April, but it was late April. I don't think it's made too much of a difference. It'll catch up, it hasn't been that warm, so they will catch up, and they're looking alright, to be fair, so that should be okay. Got some potatoes in here, a few main crops and some earlies. I'm going to buy some more tubs and set a few more away, but I thought I'd do them in the tubs this year, because there was quite a bit of slug and kind of insect damage and stuff when I had them in the soil, so I thought it'd be a bit better in the tubs, so I can control the conditions a little bit more, so and less digging and stuff, so we'll see how that pans out anyway. This is a project that I want to get cracking with, but I literally just haven't got the time. I'm hoping in the next week or two I can crack on with that. So it's a no dig bed. I've got the cardboard down already, so that's killing off the weeds underneath, but and I've got some soil. I have to get some more soil and manure to put on top, but there will be a video coming on how to do a no dig bed, so hopefully that should be soon. Moving on here, this obviously still needs sorting. Got my rhubarb coming through nicely at the back, but this just needs sorting here. And I'm thinking of doing an asparagus bed, because it's got the hoop, so I can protect it, because we have a peacock. I don't know if you've seen the channel before, but we have a peacock that wanders round and walks on everything and eats everything. But I can like cover this, so I'm debating I might do. I've never done asparagus before, so if you have, let us know in the comments. Tell us like what you've done and how it's got on and stuff. But again, yeah, I think I'm just going to cover this bed for now anyway to stop the weeds growing, because it's weeds are doing me in. Right, this bed here has been dug over, and I've got some more onions to go in. I think they'll be alright, winter May, but you know, if they're not massive, they're not massive, I'm not too bothered. The raspberry canes, so these are 2 years old. Last year barely got anything, so I'm hoping this year is going to be a decent crop, and they're coming on lovely. Got so many new shoots that have come up, so I'm really excited about this. And the weeds over here were just terrible, so I've just mulched it with a load of horse manure. So hopefully the weeds will be kept down here. And here's my leaf mould bin, which needs a little bit of repair. But I do have a video coming out. It'll not be till October, to be fair, so it's quite a bit to wait, but I'm always bringing videos out and stuff in the allotment and what have you, so if you're new here, you can go ahead and hit subscribe. Final bed here, so this bed this year is going to be everything that I grow for the chickens, so I've got kale, lettuce and cabbage set away, so these will all go in here. Again, this is prone to loads of weeds popping through, so I've given a mulch there of compost. That's 2 bags of compost. That was composted, this half was composted at the end of last year, so hopefully it should be okay. and you just got the horrible weeds and stuff behind there. This was lavender, but the weeds have taken over and that's all going to come out. And if you do follow the channel, you know that I'm a gardener. I've got my gardener's hat on here, my gardening business, so I'm pulling weeds out every day, and I'm bloody sick. So mulch all the way, I think. Try and suppress the weeds as best I can over here, because yeah, sick of them. Happy hens again, still getting loads of eggs. All good there. Sorry, my compost bin. So that's filling up nicely, and this was from last year, which is going really well. I'll just see if I can get the spade in there, try and keep the camera steady. Yeah, you can see, hopefully. It's not bad, so I'm quite happy with that. I do normally get decent compost over the years, so I must be doing something right anyway. And when you've got an allotment, it's really good if you can make your own compost or leaf mould or something, just to save money on like manure and compost if you kind of get it for free. So yeah, I think I'll end that one there anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your comments below, say hi if you're new, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.